So here's kind of how you solve this worksheet. It says measure the lines with the scale shown. Here's the line, here's the scale. I gotta find the half scale, and that is right there, the half scale. So I gotta find the 0, find the pattern. So it's 0, 2, 4, 6, which means it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Measure from the 0 to here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 feet long. Number 1 is 11 feet. Same goes for the other ones. Find the scale, find the pattern. To number 4, 30 seconds. Same thing. Find that scale, find the pattern. It goes 0, 4, 8, 12. So it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the pattern. I'm going to measure this line right here. I'm going to find this line from the 0. In this case, it goes from 0. Count, there's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Find that measurement. Let's try like number 6, 3/8 scale. Find that scale. Find the pattern. 0, 2, 4. So it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Find that length. So it'd be what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and find that measurement. Let's do one more. How about quarter scale? Same thing. Find the scale, find the 0, find the pattern. 0, 2, 4, 6. So it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that one's going to be from the 0. Because here's 2 feet, 4 feet, 6, 8, 10, 12. Find the measurement. So that's about the measurement sheet. Good luck with that.